magic of two. Let's learn together, me and you. Magic of two, it's fun and true. Let's sing the table. Woo-hoo-hoo. 2 times 1 is 2. Now you know it's true. Sing it loud, come on, it's fun. 2 times 1 is 2, we're done. 2 times 2 is 4. Let's learn some more. It's so easy, don't you see? 2 times 2 makes 4 for me. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's do some tricks. Sing with me, come on, don't stop. 2 times 3, it's 6 on top. 2 times 4 is 8. It's learning time, it's great. Sing it loud, clap your hands. 2 times 4, it's 8, understand. 2 times 5 is 10. Let's do it again. Sing it loud, it's so much fun. 2 times 5, it's 10, we're done. 2 times 6 is 12. Sing it loud, make some noise. Make some noise. Come on now, let's all shout. 2 times 6, it's 12, no doubt. 2 times 7 is 14. It's so easy, let's all sing. Sing it loud, don't be shy. 2 times 7 is 14, oh my. 2 times 8 is 16. Let's go, let's all scream. Sing it loud, sing it clear. 2 times 8, it's 16 here. 2 times 9 is 18. Sing it loud, it's so keen. We're learning fast, it's really neat. 2 times 9 is 18 complete. 2 times 10 is 20. So easy, we're so plenty. Sing it loud, sing it strong. 2 times 10, let's all sing along, along. Now we've learned the 2 times table. Sing it loud, we're so able. With the magic of 2, it's true. We can count, we can sing, we can do. Now you know the magic of 2. Let's keep practicing, me and you. We can learn and we can play. Magic of 2.